Fine. So this is the command field. So if I
जी
want to go to the backend, what will I do? I can type SPRO over here, SAP project reference object, and I can
yeah
press enter like this. Now there are three buttons: SAP reference
yes
IMG information, and project analysis. So this is a button that you need to click always. SAP reference IMG. If I say IMG means SAP reference IMG.
yes
Just double click on it. You can see over here it is buffering. Buffering means the
it's
activity
loading
is going on. It is uploading. This is display IMG. Display IMG is the backend of SAP. This is the actual backend of SAP.
yeah
Okay. Now our initial steps will be in enterprise structure. जो हमारे इनिशियल स्टेप्स रहेंगे वो पहले एंटरप्राइज स्ट्रक्चर में रहेंगे. I'll just click. अच्छा, there is a node over here and then there is a small note also,
yeah
documentation. So if
yes
you
yes
mistakenly click this,
yeah
you can close it. This is just a help. It is a sort of help. It will tell
okay
you what is enterprise structure and all.
okay
Actually, you should not click this. You need to click this node. So I have clicked this to show you what will open. See, enterprise structure. In this section, you will learn how to portray the specific organizational structure of business in the R3 system. All these things, you can read if you want, but it is not required. Click on this node. Then see, do we have any project here now? This is our first
no
class. We have not started anything, right?
yes
So we need to define the things, right? Right from scratch, we need to define the complete company structure and all. So whatever that is required for materials management module, we will implement that. We will configure that. So
yes
definition, financial accounting. This is the step, define company. Now you can
okay
note down. Let me write it for you so that it will be easy for you to note. Okay. What is step one?
step one
Define.
definition
Oh, definition. So define company
definition
is our step one.
common structure
Okay.
right
See, define company, SPRO. Then what we need to do? SAP
uh,
reference,
SAP records
IMG. Then, sorry, enterprise structure,
enterprise structure definition define
uh,
company
definition. Then
define
financial accounting. After that,
yes
define company.
fine
Financial accounting. Then define company. This is our first step. Step number one. Clear enough?
जी
Okay. Let us proceed to this. Okay. Always click on this clock.
yeah clock
This is the server of SAP. I'm just clicking on this refresh button so that things go very fast. Okay. And another thing, let me clear this. Yes. Okay. Now new entries. Whenever I say definition, new entries.
Yeah, definition of new entries.
Again buffering, it is taking time. Okay. Company name can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 characters. It can be alphanumeric. But what I'm going to do, I'll Ashfaq na, so we'll make Ashfaq group. So ASFQ
Okay.
or what could be the short form?
ASH, ASH.
ASH. Okay. Always give 4 or less than 4. So what is the company short
Okay.
name? ASH.
ASH. Yeah.
Okay. Here I'll give company full name. Sorry. Ashfaq. Sorry. Group of companies. Name too. If any other name is there, we can give. Next is street. Street can be 37B or whatever you want to put mention. You can mention, and you can say like I will mention uh, Rashidia. Okay. PO box 786 786. Some 6 numbers. You can give any 6 digits.
Okay.
786 786.
Okay.
Any 6 digits. City
Okay.
Dubai. You can give Abu Dhabi, no issues. Country. The moment I came to country, I am seeing a drop down. There is a list box. If I click on this list box, it will give me the code for the country. Like for UAE, it is AE.
A.
You can press F4 functional key F4, or you can just press that drop down button, and this is the one. AE is for United
Okay.
Arab Emirates. Language is EN. Sorry.
EN.
Currency will be AED. If you know, you can directly input
AD.
that. You want a snapshot of this, or you want me to share this,
No,
or
no need.
no need, na? Fine.
No need. I have already written.
Okay. Press save or control S.
Okay.
Now, what do you see here, Ashfaq?
The maintenance data is there.
What is the
Promote
name
of
of this
customer
box?
request.
Prompt for customizing request.
Yes.
Whatever we store in SAP, it will get stored in tables. So some
Okay.
table name is there, P underscore T880, and some auto-generated request is there. And short
Okay.
description is Zoha Group. Now Zoha is the name of my daughter. So Zoha Group means I created it for some company. I created with my daughter's name. Now your
Okay.
company name is not there. So just for the first
Yeah.
step,
Yeah.
what you will do, just draw this box in your notes, and you
Okay.
have to click on this button, create request, only one time.
Okay. Okay.
Click on this create request and short description, let's say Ashfaq. So
Okay.
Ashfaq group of companies.
Companies.
What is the short name? ASH.
ASH.
So
Yeah.
this also I'll mention over here. Okay. Then press save button. What I'm going
Okay.
to do now? Save button.
Select. Yeah.
Now the name has changed to what? Description has changed to
Yeah.
Ashfaq group
That's
of
for the
companies.
get.
Next
Yeah.
time, no need to click this create request.
Yeah. Just
You can
okay.
click own request, and like this you can click own request. And suppose if you are saving the data in Ashfaq group of companies, double click this.
Okay.
Suppose if you are inputting the data in any other project, only for
Yeah.
the first time you click that create request button,
Yes.
and every time if you want to switch, you can click this own request button, and what you could do,
Okay.
you can select that
Yeah.
particular,
The
yeah,
user.
request.
User. Yeah.
So press enter or tick mark.
Continue. Okay.
So what did we do? This was our first step. I will make the screen. Let me enter full screen. This is VMware menu.
Yeah.
This is VMware menu, and this is SAP menu, table edit. So
Yes. Yes.
if you can see this button, it shows enter full screen mode. This is the third button from right side. I'll just click on
Yes,
this.
yes,
Now this is full screen of SAP,
yes, yes, yes,
right? Data was saved. You're
yes,
getting a
data was
message, data was saved.
saved.
If I want to go back, I will use these three buttons. One,
Two,
see, like this. Again, if I want to see what I have done, I can come
yeah,
here, click position button, and you can search. You can search with ASH and enter. Double click on it. You will get the
okay,
details. Suppose if you don't remember ASH, click position button, click this company drop down button,
yes,
press Control F or this binoculars and type ASH or Ashfaq and press enter. See, you will get it like this. ASH, Ashfaq Group of
yes,
Companies. Enter, enter. It will come on top. Just double click this. ASH, Ashfaq Group of Companies. 37B Rashidia. Okay. I'm
yes.
again going back. My first step is over. Now my
Yes.
second step will be here. So what I'm going to
Define,
do? Okay, I'll make it.
define control or edit, copy, delete, check company code.
Yes,
Second step.
this is my second step. So what I will do? I'll just let me write this up. Okay. See. Define company code. Clear? So path is SPRO, SAP reference,
Yes.
IMG, enterprise structure, ES na,
Yeah.
enterprise structure,
Yeah.
definition,
Definition.
financial accounting.
Finance accounting.
Then there is no such word as like this define company code.
Yeah.
You can double click on, sorry,
Uh,
edit
Block.
comma, copy
Edit.
comma, delete comma, check
अजय
company
बात करो
code.
कर दीजिए ऑफिस के पर.
Okay, this is our second step.
ये जी.
Can I continue or shall I wait?
No, continue, continue.
Okay. So can I erase this?
Yeah, no problem. I already rated.
Fine. Okay. Double click edit company code. Sorry,
Yeah.
this edit comma copy comma delete check company code. Again, double click on edit company code data.
Okay, double click.
Yeah, double click on edit company code data. This one, double click on this. Edit company code data. After this, again new entries. After this, again new entries. Company code. Company code, you can give any number, but as per my advice, it is better you go with ASH only.
Okay.
Company is also ASH, company code is also ASH, but
ASH.
both are different.
Yeah.
They are not one and the same. Company is different,
Yes.
company code is different.
Different.
In
Yes.
SAP, company code is important. Company is not
Yes.
important.
No problem. Yes.
Okay, company name. Ashfaq Group of Companies. City Dubai, country AE, currency AED, language Indian.
English.
Can I proceed?
Yeah.
Okay. Control S. You will get a pop-up like this.
Yeah.
You can type C for company or you can click this and select company.
Okay.
And then Ashfaq Group of Companies.
Company.
See, this is optional. There is no tick mark in this field. This is
Okay.
optional. But there is a tick mark in country. That means it is
Yeah.
mandatory or required.
Right.
So A. Title, company name, Ashfaq Group of Companies, country AE. Press enter or tick mark.
Okay.
Now, do I need to click this on request? No need. Why?
No need.
Because short description is Ashfaq Group
Already
company.
the company is there.
Right. So click on. Data was saved. Okay. Our step number 2 is also over. We can go back to these three steps, these three buttons. Sorry, this one, or this one. I'll just
Yeah,
click
we
this
can
back
go
button.
for /n also, no?
Sorry.
/n also we can go, I think.
Yeah, /n is the T code. With that, we can go back. But if you type /n, you will directly go to SAP Easy Access.
Okay, okay, okay.
But if you want to jump from one step to another, you can use T
Yeah.
codes. I did not give you the T codes. OX15,
Okay.
OX02, these are the T codes. These are the shortcut keys. Let us continue further. I will give you all of this. But initially, you need to go through, it is better to go through the steps only.
Okay.
The way I have shown you. If you
Yeah,
want to
yeah.
move from this step to first step, you can click /n, then you can give that T code, OX, let's say 15,
Okay.
like this. And you can click position button, type ASH, you will get it. See, what will happen if you jump from one step to another, you will go totally back to the SAP Easy Access.
Yes.
Okay. SAP reference IMG, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting. Now we did these two steps. Our
Yes.
third step will be, I will close this definition. I will open assignment, financial accounting, assign company code to company. Now we created company by short name ASH, company code also ASH. We'll link them together. So
Okay.
what we will do, let me draft this. Okay. Step number 3. What is step 3?
These things.
Assign
Assign
company code to
company code to company code.
company.
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 Okay. Now SPRO,
Yeah.
SAP reference IMG,
That is enterprise
enterprise
structure.
structure. This
Define
time not definition.
definition.
This
It is
time
finance of thing.
assignment.
Yeah, assignment.
Instead of definition, assignment.
Assignment.
Then financial accounting. Then assign company code to
Company code. Company.
company. Company code to company. This is our third step. So what exactly we are doing here?
We are
Assign
just copying, assigning
ASH to
company.
ASH. This ASH is company code. This one is company. Very
Company.
simple. So can I clear this?
Yeah, yeah, clear.
Okay. Okay. Again, I will make it full screen. Just a second. Let's say click position button. Now company code is asking me. What shall I give here?
ASH. ASH.
Yes. Enter. So if you see here, it has come on top. Company code
Yeah.
ASH. What do I need to write here in the company
ASH.
column? ASH.
ASH.
Company code to company. So this is the way we do the assignment. Control S save and press enter or tick mark. These three steps are very easy.
Yeah.
Okay, let me stop this. Just a second. I'll just stop the recording.